Hello everyone, so myself Naveen and welcome to my channel, and today I came to explore the city of Madurai, which is just, the city that is festival of the city that never sleep, the sleepless city of India. In Tamil it is known as Thunga Nagaram. So Madurai is one of the oldest ancient city of India, which is located in Tamil Nadu state, which was ruled by the Pandya and Pallava kings. So the city is famous for its rich heritage and promoting Tamil language through sangams. So the city has a number of historical monuments with the Temple of Meenakshi, Sundeswar Temple, Kudar Ajgar Temple, and the Tiruvalur Naikakal Mahal being the most prominent temple here, which is located on the bank of Baigai River. So even there are many names of Madurai, which is known as called as the city of junctions, Pudal Nagaram, city of Jasmine, city that never sleep, Nagaram, and city of four junction. That is a many more names of Madurai. So let's see. This is the Meenakshi temple. How temple, how it is that. So Madurai, which is also known as the Athens of East from Western scholars since early days. So let's see how it is the Meenakshi temple. I am going to explain about the Meenakshi temple. So how it is, we can see that it is a very ancient temple. I am just going to take the place of Meenakshi, and even this temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and Parvati. So Shiva is known as the Sundeswar in this temple, and Meenakshi is known to be as the Parvati, Shiva wife. So this is so popular temple. I am going. Let's see how it is the view of this temple. So the first temple came in 2000 years ago, and expanded during the Tirumalai Nayak. It is in Nayaka style also. And Shiva in his incarnation as Sundeswar and his fixed eyes spouse Meenakshi are enshrined in these twin temples located on the bank of Baigai River in temple city of Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Deity Meenakshi means Parvati, Sundeswar means Shiva. So the temple was built by the Pandya king Kulsekhar Pandya in 6th century BC in Nayaka style, and the king was childless and prayed to Lord Shiva for a child. He was blessed with a daughter who was later named Meenakshi. So this temple was built in dense forest of Kadamba trees, and hence is called also Kadamba Varanam. So it is a very unique city and temple, both because one of the most popular temples. So let's see how it is the temple. I am just going inside the temple. Even inside the temple also we cannot go along with camera and any kind of electronic device such as the mobile watch and anything. So I have to remove everything outside and keep in clock box. So let's see how it is the city of Madurai. We can see by our eyes only. So many more devotees and pilgrims are also coming around all over across country, and we can see how it is the architecture of this temple. That is a very unique temple. We have to also study regarding this temple in our history book. So even I am going to say again about this temple, that this temple was built by the Pandya and Pallava king in Nayaka style. That is a one part of the Dravina style temple. So even many more foreigners are also coming to visit and explore this temple, because one of the largest, and it is also very large temple, because inside this there is a lots of corridor, like, and there is also lots of vara, like north vara, south vara. We can see I am standing at west vara. That is a west tower. We can see that is a Gopuram. In west Gopuram means west tower, and there are four tower like this in outside of that every direction, in direction of the temple. That is a west, that is a east tower, west tower, south tower, north tower, in all around this temple that is on Baigai river. And I will also go to see the view of Baigai river, which is also a so unique river here. So even already I told about it, Madurai, which is also known as the known as the city of Junction, city of four Junction, city of Jasmine, and the city that never sleeps, sleepless city of India, because of the festival of night. So, and along with also known as the Athens of the East, from the Western scholars since early days, from the city of Madurai. So, and we can see like on the temple architecture, you can see there is a lot of a statue made on the temple architecture. You can see how is the design of this temple, because we can see there are so many statues regarding the every god and goddess on the temple, like Lord Ganesha, Vishnu, Shiva, Ram, Krishna, and everyone made on the by a stone in this temple. And this is the night view of temple. You can see in night how it is looking. It is also looking very glory during the night because of the light, and you can see how it is the like there is no anything explanation regarding this temple, because it is one of the most unique temple. And this is the river of Baigai, which is flowing through Madurai. So let's see how it is the river of Baigai. I just came to also see the view of Baigai river. So I hope everyone who likes my video, and because I'm also doing work hard, I am on travel tour on all over India. So many more places. Before this I was in Kanyakumari. I came here from Kanyakumari, and then after here I will go Rameswaram, which is popular for Ramanand Swami temple, and I came Kanyakumari from Swami Vivekananda Memorial, Gandhi Memorial, Gandhi Mandapam, and Kumari temple. And before that I was in Tiruvananthapuram Padmanabha Swami temple, that already I uploaded the video of Padmanabha Swami temple. So that is also very big temple and richest temple. So let's see. Thank you so much. Let's explore together with me.